Tungwarara children's social media stance have given the public a glimpse into his opulent lifestyle in a sea of poverty, a life characterized by upmarket mansions, private jets, top-of-the-range cars, shopping galore, and best cuisines, champagne lifestyle. Sarapinda mashoko budanyo kwa panguva inoi pamusoro the Tungwarara family. Panguva ino kuchenekwa kunzi even vana vake vadiki diki chaivo chaivo they are now flaunting mari zvekutodaro zviri kushamisa vanhu panguva inoi. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tienda mberi mubudanyo pamuchinzi. People are angry that Tungwarara was granted exclusive rights to rehabilitate rivers and loot gold in the process, in many circumstances, while shutting them out of their source of livelihood. A representative of the artisanal miners recently told the Newsworks that the new Tungwarara deal smacks of corruption as there was no competitive bidding process, transparency and accountability before he got the lucrative state contract. A small-scale mining sector produces 60% of the local gold, some of it extracted through alluvial riverbed mining activities. Government has now banned alluvial riverbed mining but gave Tungwarara a prototype exclusive contract to rehabilitate the river and water ecosystem, starting with the Murodzi River in the gold-rich Mazoe district of Mashonaland Central Province, flowing through mining areas. This has now been extended nationally. The artisanal mining boss said there is a serious problem with the government directive and contract given to Tungwarara to rehabilitate the river ecosystems across the country after the initial Murodzi River pilot project. First, there was no tendering or competitive bidding. He was just arbitrarily given because he is the president's right-hand man. Secondly, there was no transparency in the process. It was murky, and that smacks of cronyism. Third, due to the murky circumstances under which the deal was done, there won't be any accountability, fertile ground for looting. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino netsamba dzamuri kuona panapa tiona Tungwarara achipiwa aiwa kunzi aite alluvial mining across the nation. Pina comment section medu muzakura aim kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.